For Masak Taucu, you'll need sliced onion, sliced red and green chilli, a piece of sliced ginger, 3 diced cloves of garlic, raw peeled prawns, fried tofu, boiled eggs depending on the serving, coconut powder, white miso paste, and salt. You'll also need tamarind sauce. In a wok or pan, cover the bottom with some oil. Then cook your onions, ginger and garlic. Once cooked through, add your miso paste. We're using the whole bottle here. Mix through. To add a bit of moisture, add some water to the wok. Then add your coconut powder and mix through. Add 3 spoons of tamarind sauce. Use Belachan if you have it, but it's not necessary. Once bubbling, add the raw prawns and cook in the sauce. Once you can see they're a bit pink, add your fried tofu and mix well. Then add as many eggs as you want for some extra protein. Finally, add your chilies for that extra kick. Serve with some rice and veg, and then you're done.